Here is a question from my video that I posted on 5 reasons you don't want to add your children to your bank account. And it's asking, how would a collector, I'm assuming like a debt collector or a plaintiff's attorney, know that you are on your parent's account? So one of the things, the reasons that I say don't put your kids on your account is that if they get sued and get a judgment against them, their creditor or their plaintiff can come after your money because you put your kids on your account as a owner. And when you do that, it's as much their money as it is yours. So the question is, how would a collector know that you are on your parent's account? Well, when you get a judgment against you, you've been sued, you go to trial, you get a judgment against you. The next thing likely that will happen is the plaintiff's attorney will sit you down under oath in what's called a deposition in aid of execution. And during that, you are under oath, so I highly advise you don't lie. They will ask you to name every financial account that your name appears on. And as long as you are telling the truth, which you are required to do being under oath, then they are going to find out that way. The moment they find out, they are then going to ask the judge to levy or garnish that account for potentially all of the money in the account, but at least up to their judgment. Another thing that people can do is there are private investigators that can do asset searches. I'm not 100% clear on how they get their data, but I have used some of these services before for my families. And basically it will let people, the report will come back from a private investigator, and oftentimes it will list accounts that you have at various banks. Usually only gives like the last 4 digits of the account number, but it's good enough for government work. So it will know what bank and even what the average daily balance is. And again, I don't know how they get this information, but I have seen reports, so I'm assuming it might be legal. And even if it's not, once the cat's out of the bag, what are you going to do about it? So that's the reason why you don't want to be on your parent's account, or if you're a parent, you don't want your kids on your account, because if they get sued and there is a judgment against them, they can come after your account. And these are 2 ways they can find out that your children are on your account. Have a great day.